should you come to the Woods Hole Inn, bed and breakfast, in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, I truly hope that you wake up early to have breakfast here. Breakfast is from 8 to 10. Don't sleep in on this breakfast and slide in at 9:30 because you might want to have second breakfast. And if you can get up at 8, hit that first breakfast, do a little journaling, maybe at 9:30 you can get one more round. I'm not encouraging you to be greedy. I'm just saying it's that good that you don't want to miss this opportunity when you have it. Good morning, dolls. We are at the Woods Hole Inn, a bed and breakfast that is perfect for day tripping to Martha's Vineyard. So we're going to do two things this weekend. Number one, we're going to hang out around Woods Hole. I'm going to show you the Woods Hole Inn, this epic bed and breakfast. Then we're going to take a day on Martha's Vineyard, which happens by taking a ferry. We'll get to that later. So stay tuned. Let's start off with some breakfast. Let's go see what they have for us today. So one of the things I love about staying at a bed and breakfast is that it feels like home. It feels like family. Everyone here is very kind. I feel like we should start off with a cup of coffee. We drove here in my Ford, so I had to bring the cups to match. The other morning when we were here, it was so nice. There was like a mom and her daughter. There were some people by themselves, and everyone was kind of doing their own thing. And we chatted with each other in between. I met someone who was visiting with her husband from LA. My companion was upstairs sleeping, so I took a little time to journal on my own, and it was perfect. So the Woods Hole Inn is a bed and breakfast. I can already vouch for the bed. It was super comfortable, and I'll show you my room later. Let's talk about the breakfast part. The Woods Hole Inn is known for their homemade granola and having a special breakfast dessert every single morning. Yesterday, they treated us really well, so I'm excited to see what they have on deck for us today. I'm going to finish up this coffee, and then we're going to take a look. I'm so excited to try this homemade granola. So they have this Greek yogurt that is so beautifully dense and thick. I asked, there's no added sugar or anything. The brand is Cabot, and it's best scooped with an ice cream scooper. How cute is that? We're gonna add some fruit. Love strawberries. Gorgeous. And now for the main attraction, the thing we've all been waiting for, homemade granola from the Woods Hole Inn. Oh, I'm really going for it. Ooh, and fresh sausage is being put out right now. So while we wait for our quiche, take a look at how gorgeous this is. I mean, this is right out of the oven, so I feel very excited about this. There's a veggie quiche and a sausage quiche. I feel like we can give them both a go. Again, dolls, this is the thing I love about a bed and breakfast. It feels like you're just staying at a friend's house who takes really, really good care of you. We've got coffee, we've got homemade granola, and we've got homemade quiche. I feel like this is what breakfast dreams are made of. Let's go outside and eat. Dolls, I have to take a minute and say I am so grateful to be able to even do a weekend like this and show you dolls around one of my favorite cities, towns, Martha's Vineyard. I feel like spaces like this, it's nice to be able to meet people and also to have a little time to yourself. So we're gonna sit outside. I feel like there's so much to taste. Thank you, God, for this food. Let's begin. First we have, hello B, hi. First we have the homemade granola. Okay, this is really good. I'm getting almonds, brown sugar, oats, cinnamon. It tastes like the best parts of Cinnamon Toast Crunch and the best parts of like a nature-made granola bar, but slightly less sweet on both sides. So all the right seasonings and flavors. And it's not too crumbly. It's very loose. Sometimes when you eat granola, it cuts your mouth. This isn't going to do that. So let's do a perfect bite. We're going to take some of our Greek yogurt. We're going to let the granola just stick to the Greek yogurt. And we're going to take a perfectly fresh summer strawberry, put that right on top. My goodness, dolls. This is breakfast in itself. I can't believe we have quiche and homemade dessert to get through. So let's move on to the next. This is so good. Thank you to the Woods Hole Inn. Well, let's cleanse our palate with a little coffee. The coffee is nice and hot here. So good. So good to start your day like this. So I felt like the vegetable quiche was being a little bit ignored. So I want to start with that one first. I think veggies are important. Of course, sausage is nice and decadent. So this, I'm seeing spinach, I'm seeing peppers, and I'm seeing cherry tomato. Let's see about this perfect bite. Okay, dolls, this is soft quiche, like a soft scramble, but it's not watery or liquidy. So it's just firm. I don't know how they baked it to perfection like this. And then the crust is very light, buttery, soft. Wait, hold on. I need another bite. Hold on. I need to talk you dolls through this. Like, look at this consistency. This is gorgeous work. This is gorgeous work. So the crust is firm without being crunchy. Like, they cooked this perfectly. I'm so impressed. I can't wait to see about the sausage. I think we should move on to that one. Now, the sausage quiche is a little bit more like a toasty cheese on the top. Inside, we've got the sausage pieces. Now, we had their honey maple sausage yesterday at breakfast. If this has the honey maple sausage, you might see a single tear just come down. So let's see. Dolls, they hit us with the honey maple sausage. They hit us with the honey maple sausage in the quiche. Because I was going to tell you dolls, like, oh, I'm so sad they don't have the honey maple sausage from yesterday. But they do. Now listen, dolls, eat your vegetables, okay? Don't leave the vegetable quiche of your life and eat. You understand what I'm saying? Vegetables are important. But this honey maple sausage quiche is also very important. It is very delicious. This one is a little bit, like, the eggs are a little bit more cooked through. I think the vegetable quiche is more of a souffle vibe. But this sausage one, I understand why it was the one that was winning. So, okay. Should you come to the Woods Hole Inn bed and breakfast in Woods Hole, Massachusetts, I truly hope that you wake up early to have breakfast here. Breakfast is from 8 to 10. Don't sleep in on this breakfast and slide in at 9:30, because you might want to have second breakfast. And if you can get up at 8, hit that first breakfast, do a little journaling, Maybe at 9:30 you can get one more round. I'm not encouraging you to be greedy. I'm just saying it's that good that you don't want to miss this opportunity when you have it. Last, let's follow up with one of my favorite things, banana bread, which is the breakfast dessert of the day here at the Woods Hole Inn. So, I like to eat the top first. Mm, well done. Well done. So yesterday they gave us like a lemon loaf pound cake. Today this banana bread, perfect consistency, not too hard. I don't like a banana bread that is like hard. The consistency is good. I don't see any nuts in here. The banana flavoring, the seasoning, very well balanced. I feel like there's something special in here. I can't figure out what it is. We'll ask the chef, maybe she'll tell us. But this with a cup of coffee, perfect. Dolls, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. When we're done with breakfast, I'm going to take you upstairs. I'll show you a little bit more around the inn, and then I'll show you my room. I hope you're enjoying this. Leave a comment and let me know if you are. See you after breakfast. That was an amazing breakfast. Kathy, thank you so much. Welcome. Enjoy your day. Take care. I want to show you around a bed and breakfast. For those of you who don't know the difference between a bed and breakfast and a hotel, you can think of a bed and breakfast like someone's house that was turned into a hotel. So each room in this structure that's almost like a home is its own little moment. They have great amenities here like water. They have great communal spaces for anyone who's staying here. So again, if you're in room 2 and I'm in room 10 upstairs, maybe we're both hanging out. Maybe we start up a game of chess. You never know how the community can work in a bed and breakfast. You can tell this probably used to be the living room of this home, but again, as a bed and breakfast, this is a place where you can come more like a lobby. And they also have great little merch. When you check in at the Woods Hole Inn, you check in here and you're going to get a key. So you're going to be able to let yourself in and out, come and go as you please. And one thing that's fun to do on the way out is to sign the guest book. So I thought I would do that right now. Come on. So today is June 29th, 2024. And we'll say, thank you for an incredible weekend. Can't wait to come. There we go. All right, so I promised you I would show you my room. Let's head upstairs. Something I think is such a sweet touch in this bed and breakfast. Oh, my heels are kind of ashy. Don't get them. Okay, thanks. Something that I think is just so sweet is they've taken the sign-in sheets from the past and made it into wallpaper, which I think is really nice. Come in here, I'll show you. Here's another one of the really charming sitting areas. Okay, before I show you the room, come check out this little again, so many cool community spaces at the Woods Hole Inn Bed and Breakfast. You can spend time out here with a book, with your journal, with some friends. If we had thought about it, we would have brought that Prosecco out here, but we didn't have time to drink any of it. Incredible. Take a look. All right, now for the much awaited room tour.